Gaming isn't just a fun pastime anymore, it's a real way to make money. There are plenty of gamers who have turned their skills into steady income streams. Whether you're a casual player or a seasoned pro, there's an option for you. In this video, we'll explore 6 simple, effective ways to make money playing video games, no fluff. Just real methods that work. 1. Live streaming on Twitch or YouTube. Streaming gameplay is a great way to make money while doing what you love. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube allow gamers to broadcast their sessions live, where they can earn through ads, donations, subscriptions, and sponsorships. Viewers love watching live gameplay, and popular streamers can earn thousands of dollars each month. Even smaller streamers can start earning if they consistently grow their audience. Subscriptions are a key feature. Viewers pay monthly to get perks on your channel, and you get a cut of that. There are also donations where fans can tip you in real time, supporting your work directly. Platforms like Twitch even allow special features like bits, which can be purchased by viewers and gifted to streamers. It's all about consistency and engaging with your audience. If you love playing games and interacting with others, why not get paid for it? 2. Competing in esports tournaments. If you're a serious gamer, competing in esports tournaments can be your ticket to big earnings. Games like Dota 2, League of Legends, and Fortnite offer massive prize pools, often reaching millions of dollars. While making it to the top is tough, even smaller competitions offer prize money that can add up. Top players don't just rely on tournament winnings, they also earn through sponsorships, streaming, and endorsements. Major esports teams like Fnatic and Team Liquid often sign players to contracts that include a salary, along with prize shares. The path to success in esports requires dedication and practice. If you already dominate leaderboards, why not take it a step further? Even if you're not at the top yet, smaller tournaments and leagues are a great place to start. 3. Game testing. Getting paid to test games sounds like a dream, right? Game testing involves playing pre-release games to identify bugs, glitches, and issues that developers need to fix. You'll be tasked with thoroughly testing every aspect of the game, from controls to performance. Game testers often earn between $20 to $30 an hour, depending on the project and company. Major developers like EA and Ubisoft hire testers regularly. This job doesn't require you to be a pro gamer, but you do need attention to detail and a methodical approach to gaming. Game testing can be done part-time or full-time, and many positions are remote. If you love exploring games from top to bottom and giving feedback, this is a solid way to make money while doing what you love. Creating video game tutorials. If you're the kind of player who always figures out how to beat tough levels or optimize strategies, why not share your knowledge? Creating video game tutorials can be a lucrative venture. Platforms like YouTube or even Udemy allow gamers to monetize their skills by teaching others. There's always a demand for tutorials, whether it's how to master a level, character builds, or even speedrunning. You can earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, and even by selling your own courses. The more useful and engaging your tutorials are, the more views and money you'll attract. You don't need to be the best player in the world. If you can explain things in a way that helps others, you're set. Many gamers have turned simple tutorial videos into a reliable income stream. All you need is a bit of creativity and some editing skills. 5. Selling in-game items or skins. Do you play games that have in-game items, skins, or rare collectibles? If so, you can turn those into cash. Games like CS, PUBG, and Fortnite have in-game economies where rare items are sold for real money. You can sell these items on platforms like player auctions or Loot Hunt. The key to success is getting rare or high-demand items that other players want. Prices can vary, but some items sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. It's a simple way to earn money without needing to be a pro gamer. Play your favorite games, collect rare items, and sell them when the market is right. If you're already playing these games, why not take advantage of this opportunity? It's a fun way to turn your hobby into something profitable. 6. Becoming a game coach. Gaming has become so competitive that people are now hiring coaches to help them improve. As a game coach, You can work one-on-one with players or even offer group coaching sessions to help others improve their skills. Coaching can be as simple as providing tips and tricks, developing strategies, or offering insights into competitive play. If you're good at games like Fortnite or Call of Duty, you could offer your expertise and get paid for it. Platforms like Gamer Sensei let you advertise your services and connect with players looking to improve. Coaches can earn anywhere from $20 to $100 an hour, depending on their experience and reputation. If you enjoy helping others and have a strong understanding of a particular game, coaching is a great way to earn money while sharing your passion. Now that you've seen 6 solid ways to make money playing video games, it's time to take action. Whether you want to stream, compete, or coach, there's an opportunity for everyone. So, what's your next move? Let us know in the comments which method you're excited to try. And hey, don't forget to share this video with your friends, hit the subscribe button, and click that bell icon so you never miss out on future tips. Keep gaming, keep earning, and turn your passion into profit.